Hi crafters, Amy here with Amy's Rares, and I am just here for a quick little unboxing. So they got me again. I'm sure you probably recognize this box. They get me so often. They truly do. But anyway, I'm just going to show you my goodies that I got today. I apologize if my voice is hoarse. I was not long ago fighting for my life, choking on a York peppermint patty. Don't recommend. Death by York peppermint patty. But anyway, I survived. So, but I apologize for my hoarse voice. Just showing you here the box. Haven't opened it yet. It's always packaged so cute. Okay, so and this randomness here. Maybe I'll take it all out so it can be more mysterious. Okay, so this is just a re-inker. I don't think they have the grout gray anymore. I have the grout gray pad, but I didn't see the refill for it. So this is the cement gray refill. Super exciting. Okay, what else do we have? Oh my gosh, this. My friend Nancy from the Handy Scandy, I've seen her make a card with this, and it is so stinking cute. I had to have it. It's called Viking, and it's adorable. I don't have anything like this, so I Vike you very much. Oh, it's so, oh, these puns. Have a Norse day. You're so brave. Just think, this is adorable. So I had to have it. Okay. Oh, I got some black licorice. Didn't look very black for a second there. Black licorice cardstock. I haven't tried this before, but I'm on the lookout trying different black cardstocks for white heat embossing because I'm sick of all the little flecks. So I have some basil licorice that I've been using, and that seems okay, but I'm just kind of on the market to try different ones. So I'll report back and let you know what I think about this one, how it does with embossing. So I have that. Oh, this is cute. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So Merry Christmas tree. This is a little smaller, I think, than I pictured, but be good for, here's A2 size. Yeah, I guess that'd be good. I was picturing this with, you know, my stencils, because, you know, stencils, that's my jam. But I thought it'd be really cool for like a stencil background or an ink blended background, and you could emboss this or even just stamp it in black. But I thought that was so cute. Such a nice little focal point, and then you can really kind of just let the background be fun and crazy, if you will. Okay, what else do we got? Oh, this was free. Love it. I got the other one last time for free, where he's holding like a couple little candy canes and ornaments and whatnot. But these are so stinking cute. You have this little stamp for the inner portion, so you can stamp these in color, like red and green, and then the outline. It's just really graphic looking. It's called For You from Santa. No peeking. Super cute. Ooh, this, I'm very excited about this. So this, Joy, Peace, Love. So you've probably seen this maybe, I don't know, super cute. I have ideas for easy Christmas cards for this. I'm picturing like using some of my Christmas pattern paper and then having like, I don't know, black in the background or something. So I'm excited to play with this. But you can use obviously the positive and negative, but even just the little cutout letters. Like I was picturing the cutout letters in like a pretty Christmas pattern paper or something like that. So very fun. Again, to give you perspective on the size. Should be nice. Nice size for A2 panel, whatnot. Okay. Ooh, these are fun. Okay, so these are the final two things that I got. With my, oh, I was gonna be sad. I was like, where's my jelly bean? What kind is this, you reckon? bubblegum maybe. Anyway, so I have Sassy Pants Best Friend and Sassy Pants Greetings 3. And these make me laugh really hard. So may your birthday be filled with alcohol and bad decisions. You don't look a day over fabulous. I love that one. And you're like really old. Oh, it's too funny. Then I smell old people. Oh wait, that's you. 1 year older. Still a badass. Happy birthday. Get wild until about 9 p.m. So these are fun. Super fun. This one, Sassy Pants Best Friend. You are not normal, and I love it. Isn't it amazing that we both have such an awesome friend? Oh, I love this one. We've been friends for so long, I've forgotten which one of us is the bad influence. Probably you. It's probably me, honestly, but I love you even when you're hangry. I think I need to send a card to myself with this because I'm the one who gets angry. I'm not pleasant when I'm hungry. Just ask my husband or my daughter. Good times. But anyway, so these are my goodies. Just wanted to share a quick little video today with you of these little goodies from my favorite things. So they rubbed me in again. They always do. I can't resist. Anyway, if you're interested in any of these products, I will link them in the video description box below. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll check you next time. Have a good day. Bye.